Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, boys. Let's go, boys. Good job, good job, good fight.
Nice. Ben je klaar?
Ja, ik kan.
Oké, wat dan? Huge? Oh my god.
Blik, what's the pee? What's the pee? Lekker man! Lekker pik! What's the pee?
Slaves, I am joining Squad 4. You tease me, oh please me, I want your attention, mojo. I slash the tires, I destroy the bank account, I destroy the golden market just for you. Oh, you touch my la.
A great cleanup.
I'm gonna Chiracolo's party. You're gonna be gauging southwest for big engage here, okay? In 3, 2, 1. Chiracolo's party southwest, boys. I want Chiracolo's party going southwest. Hit southwest. Chiracolo's party southwest. Chiracolo's party southwest. Chiracolo's party revolving southeast. I need you aggressive heal southwest. I'm counter engaging on the fucking southwest. In 3, 2, 1. Everything southwest now, boys. Hit southwest. Delete southwest. Push southwest. Delete that corner. Delete the corner. You're wiping that shit. You're rinsing it. You're back in 3. You're back in 2. They're fucking dog shit. Back up north, guys. Get the braziers now. Maintain here. Get all.
Segura, mano, segura os sides essa rotação, segura os sides, velho. Foda-se. Aham. Pra que healer, pô? Pra que healer se eu dou shield? Ai, tava no CD! Ah! Cuidado, boludo. Tem.
Oh my fucking god. Do I really look like that fat, dude? Do I really look that fat? Dude, I don't look that fat, I thought, dude. Like, shit. Like, you know, like, shit. I didn't think I looked that fat, dude. Dude, I feel fucking fat in this shirt now, dude. Dude. Oh, it's not easy being 6'3" and massive, alright?
And yet the fucking whole force doesn't dismount unless they're sure it's a victory. I was there, like 100 Limhurst were on a point, and like 10 guys came in and clapped the point, and they just ran. They literally just ran from 10 guys instead of just swarming them. It's so sad.
But I don't think they were playing with J-Boom. I think Laugh is like one of the most overrated healers in the game. Like, people are always saying like, oh, he's high level, he made like level 9, but like, every time I tank against him...
He hit the level 9 with might.
Don't you think he's overrated? Like, people tell me he's top 5 healers.
He's a really good nature.
Maybe. I've never seen him nature, but holy, it's not looking good.
Oh shit! Ah, we'll stay on this. 5 seconds. I may be able to end it here. Oh, yes. Alright, 1.4 mil. I guess that's worth it. Took like 12 potions, 13 potions, something like that. What happened to the gold price? I have no idea, dude. Apparently it tanked. Boring? What's fun for you? Like, if you think fights like that are boring, what's fun for you? How do I use my ticket? If you do exclamation mark raffle, you already got it. You don't need to do anything at that point. Oh Lord, save me! It's on Wanderlust now? Oh! Oh fuck. Please don't laser me. Please don't fucking laser me. No, the lasers. Oh! Oh, my pussy! I think I just crystal this. This is my last set, man. I can't just die like this. I have only 3 mil left. What am I gonna do if I die? Huh?
Board, are you gonna heal? Are you serious? I'll take it. Don't play with me. Are you kidding me? Are you serious right now? You don't have to. Alright. Alright. Yo. Yo. Let's go. Alright. Cool. Cool.
Someone gave 50 mil, man.
Alright. It was a team effort.
Wait, what the fuck? I want the
Oh! No, he has demon boots! I forgot he has demon boots! Oh, I'm dead! Oh, I clutched it! I clutched the fuck out of it! Oh shit, there's gonna be a laser trap up here. Fuck it. No! Wow!